Puta ka sa mga dinala, te! Bakla! Bakla trail lang yan. Mga bakla tayo. Laban!
Laban!
Ay! 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 Puta ka. This is only trials! Mga bakla tayo! Ayan na!
Papadami ng likes, Griffith.
Hi Haggard! So for today's video, I am going to meet up with Nico. Nico is one of my good friends and he will take me go hiking. So we are here at the Filipino town, Los Angeles, California. And yeah, so I don't know where he's gonna take me. Hopefully, the hike is not that hard. Bakla, just go, no? Hindi naman ako nag-hike. We'll see, I'm trying to lose 17 weight, but we'll see. So here in LA, we also have this called Filipino town, and Nico's parents live there. So we're here. There's a lot of Filipino foods here, Filipino restaurants, Filipino bars and stuff like that. So mga comedy bars, meron dito. Like we also have those here in Filipino town in LA, California. Ito na po ang aking friend na bakla. Hi! Hello po! Tita, kamusta? Tita, kamusta po? Ito yung, go inside. That's Nico's mom. Kamusta po, ta?
Hi, KT's fans. Sige na.
Sige po, ta. Balik po kami. Nico's actually one of my best friends, good friend. I've known him ever since high school. Not eh?
Yes.
High school? Bakala, nung lalaki pa ako. Char! So yun, I'll take you guys there. You guys will see how I hike. Because Nico is very professional when it comes to hiking. Kasi, you know, he's skinny, leaner. Oh, follow him on Instagram. I'll link it below. Chapter te. Chapter ng pinituro mo. Napaka-chapter nito pumili ng lalaki. My God!
Graduated here.
Yes, actually, we graduated here.
Sa Griffith theater. Pang mayayaman ng mga bahay dito, tiya!
True, hindi natin afford. Sugar daddy. Charot.
Sir. Sir.
Sir!
Sir!
Ganon. East part of LA is one of the most expensive. Griffith Park, die. But we graduated here. Me and Nico graduated here. Hopefully, Nico will not take me to the hard hike, because this bitch is like so fit. You know what? When I met him, he was like puny. He was so fucking skinny. He was so skinny. Pero ngayon tingnan mo, ang ganda na ng katawan ni bakla. Like very lean na siya. Para na siyang swimmer body. Ganyan usually katawan ni bakla. Ako katawan ko talaga, matataba. Big bone talaga ako, dai. I'm always the fat one. I'm always the pretty one. Char! Pretty talaga. Okay, we're finally here. So may parking. Okay. Alright guys, so we are here at Griffith Park. And I don't know if I'm ready. Bakla. I don't know if I can hike this. Nico's gonna put his sunblock. Si bakla ayaw umitim. Oh, ganyan. Pengi rin ako, dai.
Lahat man tayo, pare-parehas tayo. You, me, or Nick. Like,
Ay, bakla, ang puti. Anyari sa peskote. Ano ba yun, Haggard? Daot ka talaga, Nico. Supposedly this hike is 45 minutes, so we'll see. Okay guys, we have to wear our mask and we are starting. Okay guys, oh my god, I forgot my phone on top of my car. So I told Nico to get it, so hopefully it's still there. Thanks, sis.
kaloka ka.
True. We are going now. And I will take you guys with us. Yay, we made it. Try. Haggard. Haggard. Ay, Diyos ko, day. So we're going up all the way over there. Oh my god, it's so much harder with the mask on. Akala, ito na siya. Ay! Back! Oh. Haggard. Haggard. Ah! Puta ka! Puta ka sa mga dinalate! Bakala! Hindi nga! Laban! Fight! Ay! 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 Puta ka!
Kaya ba?
Fight! Oh my god! Ay! Bakala!
Ito na tayo.
This is only trials! Mga bakla kaya! Kaya na!
Papadami ng likes, Griffith.
Bakla! Bakla ka!
Shortcut!
Hayop ka! Bakla ka ng taon!
Shortcut eh, lapit na oh.
Bakla ka, guard!
Like day.
I told you guys, I'm not fit like her. Ano na, teka lang, hindi mahirap.
Ito naman ang view.
I thought it's not hard. Naloka ako. Wait lang. Shit. Baka na-stress ako. I had to take out my mask because I couldn't breathe. That's how you'll know I'm not in a good shape. So Nico, we took the shortcut. And the shortcut was very steep. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you guys are always updated on my new videos. Hit that notification bell. And please subscribe and share and like this video. So we are here on top of the Griffith Park. So this is the whole LA County. That's where we parked. Right there. That's where we parked. Right there. Okay, so just kidding. So we weren't on top of the Griffith Park. There's one more. One way going up there, which is very steep. And then one way going. This is the easy way basically, and this is the hard way. Comment down below. Where do you think I'm going? So of course, we're going to the easy way. Oh, finally, so we just got here. We are like literally in the corner of Summit Mountain. Top of the Summit Mountain. So we're here. That's the Hollywood sign. That's all LA County, Los Angeles, California. Nico's type right here. Nico's type. Nico's type.
Laban. Yeah, you got this. Ikaw mag-lead. Okay. Kasi it's very steep. Tapos walang masyadong kapitan dito.
Haggard! Haggard!
Stress? I got that one. That's good though, you fell on your butt. You're doing a good job.
This is it. Bakla. Okay.
Kumusta ka, girl?
Oh, girl.
Girl, difficulty level?
True.
Haggard.
This is level Haggard.
On a scale of 1 to Haggard. Like, good shoes for this one. Kasi madulas siya. Almost there.
Almost there?
Yeah. Mauuna ka dito.
Bakla!
Girl, kaya?
Bakla Haggard. Hello, this is just a trail. We're LGBTQ. Bakla, pakita mo yung ano, te. Kung paano natin...
Bibidyoan ko to sa ulit mo.
Bakla!
Hawakan mo.
Haggard!
So, bibidyo ko.
Oh my god, so look. So we're almost at the end. We're almost in the bottom. But then this is the worst. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, how are we gonna be able to do that? So this is just trails. We're LGBTQ.
Level.
Okay? Bakla trail lang yan. Mga bakla tayo. Laban!
Laban!
Okay, so first step, okay. Second step, third step. Okay, now, this way, we go to the hard way.
It's really steep.
So
Wow.
which one's harder?
On the left side, the one with the
Let's go.
pipe.
Since for my fans, to all the Haggards and Kajinian, we're gonna go to the hard way. Okay?
Very pogi, oh.
Tumitingin sa
Laban.
sa akin. Oh, ay sarap eh.
Laban.
Zoom mo, te.
Ayan, akat sila dito,
Akit sila.
girl.
You know why? You know why they're going up here? Because they saw me. Hello. They're going up. Sorry, they're going up.
Oh, laban na, girl. Antayin ba natin sila? Interview.
Dr. Jutes.
Girl, it's really steep. So you have to go stick on the wall on the left and climb backwards.
Wala! Agad!
Mas kaya mo ba? O madali sa'yo paharap? It's so steep.
Nakalakad doon ka sa... Ay, oh, bakit?
Spider-Woman. Oh. Itong part lang naman ito mahirap eh. Pag medyo malapit na sa baba. Medyo madali na.
Baka we have to wash our hands.
Laban.
Uy!
Good.
So should we go this way or this way? This way, huh? Kasi may...
Sa left. Sa left, sa left, sa left. Ay, Ay, taray. Influencer.
Hi, follow me on Instagram. Oh, ito na. Bakla ang Velasco.
Wow, may technique. May kasama pang twerk pa yan, girl. Tapos Haggard.
We finally made it. Oh, you guys thought I won't be able to make it, but girl, I did. It was so easy. True. All right, so I'll see you guys later when we are in the finish line. Thank you guys for watching again, for sticking with me. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys are always updated on my videos. So don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram, I am KG Nunez, Facebook KG Nunez, and of course my YouTube channel. Bye Haggard!